Do you want to know how you can enter or change your postcode on Frollo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enter or edit your postcode of your location or area on Frollo. So if you don't have Frollo, you can install it now on the Play Store or the App Store. Go ahead and open Frollo, which is on your phone after you have installed it. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up for it. And after you sign into your account, you can use your biometrics or your passcode to enter. What you need to do to change your postcode or to reset it, go ahead and tap on your profile on the top left hand side. You can see the postcode option. Tap on it. You can remove the previous postcode which you have kept, and you can keep the new postcode over here. Then enter the tick mark, and there you go. This is how easily you can reset or change your postcode on Frollo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.